Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I thought that we would start the new year off with some recent favorites. I have lots of products to share with you, so we better jump right in. My new favorite primer, and that's the CoverGirl Lid Lockup. I love this. Not only does my eyeshadow stay bright and vibrant all day, it does not crease. This stays a little bit tacky, so it gives something for the eyeshadows to actually grab onto. New concealer I really been liking is from CoverGirl, and this True Blend Undercover Concealer. And this is a very full coverage, buildable concealer. I love it. And I use this concealer trio to perfect my brows. So I definitely wanted to share that with you. It's the Rimmel Insta Conceal and Contour Palette. And I absolutely love this. It's great. And I found it on Walmart.com for like $3. Powders, I have a few of these to share, but this is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Complete Powder, the full coverage powder. This is awesome. It's so awesome. It's a full coverage face powder. I use a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and then I use this on the rest of my face, and it lasts all day long. 16-hour wear. I've had no issues with this. It is fantastic. Another powder, this is not new, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is basically kind of like one of those mineral powders. It looks like that. And once again, I'll do a little bit of concealer and I'll do my whole face in this. It has really decent coverage, and I'm loving that. It's not full coverage, but it's more like a medium, buildable to medium. Neither powders from Maybelline look cakey. They look great, and they last a long time on the skin without needing touched up. So next up I have the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I love this for under eyes and just a quick, kind of touch up transition kind of powder. I love this, and if you have this, it smells like your grandmother. It's awesome. It definitely reminds me of mine. I love it. Eyeliners I've been loving. This has no writing on it anymore, but I recently rediscovered the LA Colors Liquid Eyeliner. This is the one that is sold in the Dollar General. Very thin, long brush like this. $1.50. Very, very black, and it dries not completely matte, but close enough, and it dries quickly, and it is very black. Two eyeliners I've really been loving. I have been using the Believe Beauty Queen Mauve eyeliner so much. It's just a purple, but this is a long-lasting eyeliner, and these do not budge once they're in the waterline, and I love it for that. Same goes for this one. It's the Maybelline Lasting Drama Matte, and this is the Jade Olive. I love this. I have all kinds of excuses to do looks using these two eyeliners. I love them, and if you've not tried the long-lasting Believe Beauty eyeliners, definitely check them out. It's awesome. But wanted to touch bases on a few different products from every category, so to speak. So mascaras, I have the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. This is fantastic. I know I keep saying that, but it makes my lashes look so good, and I need a full tube ASAP. The other mascara I've been wearing, and it makes my green eyes pop, so I've definitely been loving that, and it's the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Burgundy Mascara. And once I apply that, my green eyes look so good, so I've been wearing this a lot during the fall and winter. Next up, along the lines of lashes, this is the first time I ever used Duo Lash Adhesive. I can't believe I waited so very long, because the others, like, my lashes would lift a lot and I couldn't wear them all day. But I find with the Duo, I'm wearing lashes so very much, and I'm even wearing them out a lot more, which I hardly ever done, because I didn't feel that confident or secure in it. But this lash adhesive is a game changer. Lashes, these are on their way out. They do look really gunky. They have seen their day. So I've used these about, I would say, at least 4 times, maybe 5. And they're Broadway lashes. They're in the style Flirty. And if you can believe it, these are only $1. and these are awesome. They look so natural, they don't look over the top, and you can pair them with any look for $1. And at 4 uses for $1, quarter every time you place these on your eye. Like, setting sprays, Believe Beauty Makeup Perfecting Setting Spray. Love this. My makeup lasts so much longer. If my makeup starts looking cakey or anything like that, this gives it a really nice refresh. It has a nice fine mister on it, and I like the scent of this, and I think it's under $5, and it works fantastic. For lip stuff, I have in LA Colors lip oil. This is so very moisturizing. I did a full review on this. Very nice. I've used quite a bit of it down to here. Little hard candy velvet mousse. I got these in a like sampler pack from Christmas last year, actually. Amazing. This one's just about done. I love it. It's just a very beautiful nude shade, and I can't get enough of it. Unfortunately, they don't sell those anymore. Also from LA Colors is the LA Colors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss. This is in Heavenly. Beautiful lip topper for any nude lip. And another LA Colors lip product I've really been loving, especially for this fall and winter, is I recently got this, the LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color in Danger. Yes, please. I love this. It's so beautiful. Matte lip. Very beautiful red burgundy. Deep shade. I love this with any kind of like pinup style makeup and kind of day you want to feel glam. This is it. Before we get into eyeshadow palettes, I want to talk about a couple highlighting palettes that I recently have acquired. And this is the Revlon Photo Ready Sunlit Dream Highlighter Palette. These are stunning. Absolutely beautiful. You can tell like I have dug into these ever since getting them. And I did find this on clearance. So be on the lookout at your local Walmart and Walmart.com, because I found this and the Galaxy Dream palette on clearance. The next highlighting palette I have is the WetnWild Mega Glow, and I recently got this at the beginning of last December. And look how beautiful these shades are. I also got this on sale for $5. How beautiful. This is my favorite shade here. I do use this one quite a bit. I do use this one. I love this one for inner corner, and it is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. And these retail for $5 each in store. So I got the whole 4 palette for $5. Can't beat that. So now on to some eyeshadows that I've recently acquired and have done so many looks on. And this is the What a Beaut Pretty Glam palette. I found this at the Dollar General, and that's absolutely stunning. Beautiful, nice creamy pigmented shades. They are a bit powdery. There is a lot of fallout, but honestly the mattes are matte and the shimmery shades are very shimmery, almost metallic. You cannot beat this $5 palette. Why not give it a chance? Beautiful packaging as well. And I have several tutorials which we will link in the description box below. Another recent December purchase, but I have been using this like crazy. And I have other palettes that I've really been loving, but nothing compares to my love for these 3 palettes I'm going to show you now. So that's the What a Beaut palette, and this is the Smoke&Mirrors Soft Glam palette. I found this at Five Below. Now, if you don't have the Huda Beauty Nudes palette and you want that, this would be a good $5 dupe. There is a Hard Candy Blissful Nudes dupe, and I'm pretty sure that you can find very similar shades in Profusion palettes as well. So definitely be on the lookout for this style of pinky nude palette. Absolutely beautiful. The shades in this are very creamy, pigmented, powdery, just like the other palette. This one comes with an additional sticky kind of concealer base. So you can put that on your lid or all over as like a primer, or secondary base is what I actually use it for. Very nice. It hasn't creased on me. So this palette is definitely worth the mention. I already know that I cannot fit this one in its entirety in the frame. We'll try. But this is the WetnWild 40 Pan palette. Now, I did recently also get this one in December, but I have been using it like crazy. Like, I have done several looks using this, I believe 4 in total. So definitely check those out. They're in the description box. Beautiful, amazingly beautiful, stunning palette, and I cannot say enough good about this palette. And supposedly it's supposed to be a dupe for James Charles. They did not try to hide that. How cool is that also? And I am happy to give my money to Wet&Wild versus the James Charles, even though I love Morphe. However, this is a very good alternative if you are on a tight budget. The Wet&Wild is cruelty-free also, and this was $10 on sale and regularly priced at $20, so you really cannot beat these prices. Look at these beautiful shades. The mattes are mattes, the shimmers are shimmers, the metallics are metallic. It is a bit powdery, but the pigmentation takes all of that care away from me. Some nail polishes I've been loving is the Pure Ice base coat. I found this in a 2-pack at the Dollar Tree. This is a nice base coat for your nails. It does help the polish last longer. It is a nice kind of formula, but it applies kind of thick, if that makes sense. It dries quickly and it gives your polish something to adhere to when you apply it, and therefore giving it longer lasting life. A top coat I've really been loving is the Beauty top coat. This was $2.50, I believe, at Dollar General. This stuff is great. I do believe I'm probably the only one, but I think this smells like green apples when it dries. Also, very nice, just thick, glossy, high shine top coat like it suggests, and it says it is supposed to have a gel effect. Now, on the terms of that, I do find when I wear this, my nail polish lasts a lot longer, especially because my hands are always in water. And it really is thick and shiny and nice, though. And I think when I tested this out, I think I had about 7 days or so without chipping, or it was starting to chip. So, pretty good for $2.50. And last and final items here are the LA Colors Shimmer Gel polish line that they launched. You can find a link to the website below because these are fantastic. They are $3 each. They are highly packed glitter, holographic, iridescent, opalescent, I mean kind of glitters like that, you name it, it's in here. They are absolutely stunning, and these are like my 2 favorite shades. So I recently wore a bunch of these in the month of nail polish in December, so definitely check that out. So I thank you guys so very much. I hope you enjoyed my recent favorites video. I thank you so much always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as mentioned. I hope you all are having a great start to your new year, and thank you again so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this.